Iran Khodro Industrial Group, the world's 15th biggest automating company and holding more than 60% of local market, surpassed production volume of 520,000 passenger cars per year in 2004. Since then, Iran Khodro Company, IKCO, has planned to reach an annual production volume of 1 billion vehicles per year till 2010. After the Islamic Revolution in Iran Khodro outlined new production strategies in 1990, which set out the 7-year plan in 1995, and the company's activities entered a new phase. Iran Khodro Foundry plant consists of 2 separate aluminum and cast iron foundry halls, producing engines' cast iron parts, cylinders, cylinder heads, manifolds, flywheels, and gears at the beginning of its operation. Other parts are produced outside the company. The assembly shops operate in 3 phases. Total assembling capacity in the 3 shops is 125 units per hour. In near future, and after the launching of the new assembly shop, the assembly capacity would increase by 45 units per hour, which is about 30%. Activities such as robotic automation technology, setting up and expanding internet and intranet networks, optical fiber network, obtaining new product design and development capabilities, establishing total quality management, integrating human force qualities and quantities, developing and improving production shops, and extending international cooperation aiming at expanding international production capabilities are some of the industrial group's activities. Purchasing and transferring technologies for development and production of new products, designing and establishing new press shops, setting up new body shops, renovating paint shops, powertrain aluminum foundry lines, renovating and restoring engine plants, and developing molding technology are some of the most important projects accomplished in the 7-year plan. Right now, IKCO activities are encompassed in 10 sections within the industrial group, including Iran Khodro Investment Development Company, IKCO, Iran Khodro Diesel, IKD, Supplying Automotive Parts Company, SAPCO, Iran Khodro Spare Parts and Accessories Company, ISACO, TAM, Iran Khodro Sazit, Samand Investment Company, Iran Khodro Khorasan, Iran Khodro Ashgabat, and Pekan School of Stocks. Production, engineering, equipment maintenance, and related procedures planning are performed within IKCO, mainly consisting of press, foundry, engine, body, paint, and assembly grooves. Cut and Press Shop is at present the biggest press facility in Iran, turning into one of the world's biggest and most modern shops after the establishment of the new press shop, the production capacity of which is doubled after that. It's noteworthy that in the new system, with its 6 sets of molds and replacing equipment, replacing the whole production line would not take more than 200 minutes. Iran Khodro has been capable of meeting ISO 9002, ZANO 9000, and QS 9000 standards for its foundry plant. As well as supplying its own needs, the plant produces and exports clutch housing to France for Peugeot. operates 4 big, modern paint shops, which are among the most sophisticated shops in Iran and the Middle East. Painting 45 bodies in an hour by spraying paint using automated robotic technology and a totally automated convey system in paint shop number 2 and 4 have been the reasons for high-quality painting process. Another main reason for progress in IKCO has been the new product development center. Employing the latest automotive technologies as well as local experts and modern equipment, the center has been able to complete its projects, especially development and production of cement quite perfectly. Iran Khodro Powertrain plant is the largest producer of petrol engines, which consists of engine, transmission, and axle factories as well as measuring laboratories. This factory is the first in its type, meeting ISO 9002 requirements in 1997 of British VSI. The factory engine got the same certificate 3 years later from German RWTUV. Engine plant number 2 has been erected to manufacture engines for Peugeot and other new products in IKCO. In its first year of operation, the plant was capable of producing 60,000 cylinders and cylinder heads. Meanwhile, the establishment of new production lines will increase the production capacity to 500,000 units annually. Iran Khodro has been able to export its parts and products valued at $115 million in 2004, which is estimated to be increased to $200 million by the end of 2006. Establishment of cement production plants in Belarus, Azerbaijan, and Syria, as well as agreements on establishment of the same plants in China, Venezuela, and Senegal are among the company's other activities.